Good morning and happy Monday. It's Miss Mac here. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm here to explain to you today's assignment, and it's kind of a two-part assignment, so that's why I figured it was good to do a good screencast for you guys to know exactly what is expected of you guys. So it's two-part. The first part is going to be done on Google Slides. The second part is going to be completed after you complete the Google Slides or the activity, and it's a Google form. Okay, so again, a two-part assignment for today. You'll do the first part, the little activity, which technically, if we were in school, we would be doing a lab about it. And then you'll be doing the Google form to make sure that you understand all the topics and concepts that were discussed in the activity. So we're going to open up the actual activity. Most of your work is going to be done on slide 2. Of course, the directions, it says place the distinguishing features in each course correct spaces in the geological time scale. You have a word bank for you. Use the magnifying glass to zoom in. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then there's 2 other pages of resources. So if you click over to page 2, this is where you're going to be spending most of your time. Over on the side here, you can see it says word bank for Cenozoic era section, word bank for Mesozoic era section, word bank for Paleozoic, and word bank for Precambrian. So each one of these are actually little text boxes. So you don't have to worry about typing anything in or finding any information. You're just going to be moving them around. So you can see here, looking at the geological time scale, you have Cenozoic era, Mesozoic era, Paleozoic, and then, of course, our oldest era, which is our Precambrian, which actually is our longest era as well. So what you're going to do in each of these little text boxes over here, you're going to drag and drop whatever answer you think is correct. So obviously, in the Cenozoic quaternary period and recent, we're going to move modern man. This is your first answer. You're going to just move it right over into that little box. Now, some of you guys might need to resize. It can be smaller or larger. We're not looking for perfection. We're just kind of here to look at the big picture ideas about the history of our Earth. Okay, so you go through, pick and choose. This is the Mesozoic era. All right, so first dinosaurs, first flowering plants, first birds. All right, so which one goes between the Cretaceous, the Jurassic, and the Triassic? Okay, so if you're stuck and you really don't know, then you're going to go down to these other 2 pages. These are resources for you, okay, that you can scroll through. There's one resource and here's another resource, especially if you don't have your notes. If you have your notes close by, you can literally just look at your notes and you'll probably come up with the answer a little bit quicker. So once you complete that activity, which should probably take you about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes or so, you're going to go in and open this Google form. And I would have this slide or your activity open so you can kind of refer back to it. You'll answer all this information and then you'll answer, there's 10 questions dealing specifically about that activity. And then you'll submit. So the grade that's going to go in the grade book is going to be your score on the quiz. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself via email or through the Google Hangout, and we would be happy to help you. Thanks. Hope you have a great Monday.